guys! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's vlog na naman po, isang bagong loan application na naman po ito na ibabahagi ko na nag-offer po ng 2,000 up to 20,000 pesos. So 91 days up to 120 days loan term. Service fee is 0. Transaction fee is 25 up to 130 pesos. So marami rin po nag-positive review dito. Dahil napanchikin ko doon po sa kanila pong feedback. So, sabi dito ni Maria Sofia, so shout out na lang po. So, sabi niya, easy to use, transaction is fast, well recommend this app. So, sabi naman ni Paul Pamonical, so this app is so amazing, it helped a lot in needed time. Easy to install, easy to use. So, sabi naman ni Fama, so this app was so amazing. It runs smoothly and it has fast disbursement even weekend. So, highly recommended. So, sabi naman ni Clarence Relato, so great app, highly recommended, easy to use, and fast transaction. So, try natin na alamin kung totoo ba lahat ng ito. So, keep on tuning in lamang po para naman at the end of this video, malaman din po natin kung magkano nga ba yung possible amount na ina-approve nila dito as a first timer. And then, tingnan na rin po natin ano-ano nga ba yung mga deductions niya dito upon approval po ng loan. So, ayan po mga loves. So, please consider to subscribe na muna sa aking YouTube channel kung bago ka pa lang po dito. And click na rin po ang bell button dyan para naman lagi kang notified sa mga utangan moment dito po sa akin pong channel. Yes! So, disclaimer na po muna mga lalabs ko. So, hindi po ito for sponsorship, hindi rin po ito for collaboration, hindi rin po ako dito promoter, at hindi rin po ako dito ahente ng platform na babanggitin ko sa video na ito. Dahil ako po ay katulad nyo rin po lamang na isa rin pong mangungutang. So, it's up to you na po or decision nyo na po kung susubukan nyo pong utangan ang platform na ito dahil ang layunin lamang din po ng video na ito ay magkaroon po kayo ng advanced information at idea nang sa gayon makapaghanda po kayo or alam nyo na ganito yung patakaran at yung kalakaran ng platform na ito. Ito pong tinutukoy ko na platform ay si Cash Bar Online Cash Loan. So, under po siya ni Pandex Credit Lending Incorporated. So, registered under Securities and Exchange Commission with registration number and then with certificate of authority naman to operate as financing company. So, install po natin ito si Cash Bar. Available na po siya dyan sa Google Play Store. So, after po yan, so makita nyo po kaagad, so privacy policy, so click nyo lang po ang agree para makapag-proceed. Nag-pop up dito, so fast personal loan, so marami siyang recommended loan apps dito, so like si Peso Zone, so amount 50,000, so approval 97%, period 150 days, so si Peso Cam to 20,000 pesos, so approval 96%, so 150 days. And then, si WePeso, 20,000, 98% approval, period 150 days. So, Easy One, so 30,000, 96% approval, 150 days. And then, si Credit Loan, so 20,000, period 150 days. And then, Salary Loan, 30,000, and then 150 days loan. So, mamimili ka pala dito kung ano yung gusto or sino kung anong loan apps ang gusto mong applyan dito. So, sinubukan kong applyan dito si Peso Cam. So, click lang po itong Get Money. So, ayan po, nung kinlik ko yung Get Money mga loves, so, dinirekta po ako nila doon po sa Google Chrome. So, kailangan mo pala siyang i-download. So, ayan, nung binuksan ko na po siya, kailangan mo dito mag-fill up ng basic information. So, please provide your details to begin application process. So, dito hingian ka ng email, education, date of birth, loan purpose, gender, marital status, type of residence. So, click nyo lang po ang next. Emergency contact. So, dito po singan po kayo dito ng 4 po na emergency contact, including po yung relationship, name, and phone number. So, next po, kailangan nyo mag-provide dito ng ID type. So, dito recommended nila is National ID, SSS Passport, Postal ID, UMID, Voters ID, Driver's License, so GSIS, PIN number, PRC, and PhilHealth. So, mamimili lamang po kayo dyan para po i-upload po ninyo, including po yung selfie holding your ID. So, next po dito is add withdrawal method. So, dito available nila GCash, PayMaya, StarPay, RD Phone Shop, Coins, PH, GrabPay, MLawyer, and Bank Transfer. So, next po dito mga labs, so nag-pop up kagad. Loan amount is 2,000 pesos. So, ito yung amount or yung approval amount na binigay sa akin. So, loan amount 2,000. Loan term is 150 days. So, withdrawal channel is GCash. Nung kinlik ko yung get the loan, so, ayan, nag-pop up kagad. Confirmation ng loan. So, loan information, loan amount 2,000, platform service fee is 865, payment channel fee 25 pesos, amount received is 1,135, loan term is 150 days. So, repayment schedule, first installment repayment, 2,000 is due on December 27, 2023, and then yung secondary payment mo is on May 18, 2024. So, dito mga lads, pinaliwanag na po kagad na within 7 days, kailangan mo pong ibalik yung 2,000 pesos. And then, dito ang ma-receive mo lamang daw po is 1,135. Dahil yung deductions po nila dito is platform service fee 865, payment channel fee is 25 pesos. And then, dito, na-note na po kagad na nila na repay the installment on time, the bill amount of 11 pesos can be reduced. So, kailangan for within 7 days, may balik mo yung 2,000 dahil yung 11 pesos is i-waive na lang daw po if nabayaran mo ng full pay yung first repayment mo. So, ayan po mga loves. So, sana po naintindihan po natin or nagkaroon din po kayo ng idea bago man po kayo mag-commit dito kay Cashbar. So, dahil dito, hindi mo full na marireceive yung loan amount na in-approve sa'yo. And then, within 7 days, kailangan mong ibalik ng full yung 2,000 pesos. So, ayan po mga loves. Pag-isipan nyo po muna ng marami pong beses bago po kayo dito mag-engage or mangutang kay Cashbar. Dito, binigay na po kagad nila o ipinaliwanag na nila na within 7 days, kailangan mong ibalik yung 2,000. And then, hindi mo full na marireceive yung loan amount na in-approve dito sa'yo. It's up to you na po kung i-grab nyo po yung ganitong offer ni Cashbar. So, click nyo lang po itong submit para po doon sa disbursement po ng iyo pong amount. And then dito makikita nyo na po kagad na loan information submitted successfully. So, loan order under review. So, we will call you within 24 hours for identity and information audit. Please keep your phone open. So, after the review is successful, the loan will be completed within half an hour. So, maghintay ka po dito ng almost 1 hour para po malaman po ninyo kung madidisburse ba yung pera doon po sa account nyo. So, tatawagan po kayo dito para po doon sa confirmation and then sa disbursement po ng iyo pong amount. So, ayan na po muna mga loves ang review po natin for today. So, sana po nakatulong. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. God bless po. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas po.